Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back my YouTube channel, Mind Fashion Studio. Dear friends and subscribers, how are you? I hope you are fine and hope well. Today I have many pairs for you. May Allah give you happiness and success. I will talk about most stylish and most demanding women collection, cross-stitch, handmade embroidery, parrot ideas. Dear friends, today I going to showing very attractive handmade positive pattern ideas. This is very beautiful and elegant tarkashi and charts with embroidery designs and pattern designs. Very beautiful, very stylish cross-stitch embroidery parrot ideas. I have only ideas, videos. I must just show off this video. Gorgeous and elegant designs of parrot. I hope you like my video. If you want to watch more videos, you visit to my YouTube channel, Mind Fashion Studio, and watch my other videos and get more ideas. These cross-stitch embroidery designs are also available in the market on reasonable prices. You can also visit the market. These parrot embroidery designs are very fantastic and stylish. Dear friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notification of my videos and never miss my video collection of my channel. If you like this video, to click the like button and share videos with friends, family members and social media account. So do not need to tell me in the comment section to help me how was my videos. Thanks so much for watching my video of my channel. Can help you to give beautiful ideas about cross-stitch parrot ideas. See you again with different collection, design, style and color combination for you. Friends, please again subscribe my YouTube channel and wait for my new video. I always try to bring useful ideas according to your choice. Best of luck. Take care friend. Allah Hafiz.